Hello, my friend. Welcome back to another magical day. I'm so happy to see you again. You make every adventure more special. Are you ready to keep shining and learning with us? Last time, we discovered the cheerful letter C, and wow, you did such a confident and creative job. But guess what? A brand new letter is waiting for us today, filled with even more positivity and magic. Today's special letter is D. Can you say it with me? D. That's right. The letter D dances with delightful and dazzling words that make our hearts feel warm and happy. Every new letter we learn helps our imagination grow stronger, brighter, and more beautiful, just like you. So, take a deep breath, open your heart, and get ready to dive into this new discovery. Let's go!
Hey, it's magic time! Hi friends, I'm Gigi, the little duck who loves bath time. Every night, when the stars start to shine, I flap my wings and get ready for the coziest part of my day. I jump into the warm water, make bubbles dance, and splash, splash. I laugh while swimming around the tub. I always try my best to make bath time fun, sweet, and full of smiles. Because when everything smells fresh and clean, we feel calm and ready for the sweetest dreams. Now, my friend, it's your turn. Come join me in your warm bath too. The water feels so soft and cozy, no need to feel scared or lazy. When you wash your body, play with the bubbles, and put on your soft pajamas, you become all fresh, happy, and ready for bedtime. Isn't it wonderful to feel so good before going to sleep? And now, let's remember today's magical letter, the letter D. D for duck. That's me, Gigi, the cute little duck. But do you know what else starts with D? Determined. Because when you take your bath without crying and enjoy it with joy and courage, you show how determined you are. Let's say it together 3 times. I am determined. Ready? I am determined. Yes, perfect. Again, I am determined. Amazing. And one last time, with your biggest smile. I am determined. Yay! You did it! You showed so much determination. I'm so proud of you. You're clean, happy, and so determined, just like me. I loved spending this cozy bath time with you. Did you like it too? I hope so. Remember, every bath is a new chance to shine. Feel calm and get ready for a magical night of dreams. Big hugs and bubbly kisses from Gigi. I really hope to see you on the next video. Bye!